This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Today, we are taking a look. This is the A510 full set dash cam. You get your pamphlet and how-to guide, screen protectors. You have your front and back cam. So here you have one cam. Here's your main camera. Peel off your lens. And you got all your accessories in here as well. Let's go ahead. You can adjust the camera once you have it hooked up. Same with this cam. You can 360 degree adjust it. So let's go ahead and test it out.